Hi, welcome back to FASTCABLING, where we dive deep into the latest technology to keep you informed and ready for the digital age. Now today in this video, we're exploring the realm of security cameras, focusing on Wi-Fi versus wire cameras. And we'll be tackling installation challenges, bandwidth needs, and much more. And also, if you're thinking about upgrading your security system or have any questions, we are offering a free tech consultation to help you make the best choice for your needs. And our team of experts are ready to assist with personalized advice tailored just for you. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Wi-Fi cameras. Now, these devices are incredibly popular for their ease of installation and flexibility. Unlike wire cameras, Wi-Fi cameras connect to your network wirelessly, which means you can place them just about anywhere within your router's range. They still need power though, so you will typically find them close to a power outlet or equipped with a battery. And the major advantage of Wi-Fi cameras: convenient. You don't need to run cables through your home or business, and you can easily connect them to your network. Setup is usually as simple as scanning a QR code and following a few steps on your mobile device. And on the flip side, we have wire cameras. Now, these are the stalwart of surveillance, known for their reliability and superior performance in large-scale security systems. And wire cameras typically use a PoE, Power over Ethernet setup, which means both power and data are delivered over a single cable. And to set up a wire camera system, you need a PoE switch, a PoE NVR, or a PoE injectors if your existing network equipment isn't PoE enabled. And the big win for wire cameras: stability and scalability. They're not as susceptible to bandwidth issues, which brings us to our next topic: bandwidth balancing. So streaming video requires a lot of bandwidth. A single HD camera can use about 10 megabits per second, and if you opt for higher resolutions like 4K, that number climbs even higher. And for Wi-Fi cameras, this can mean needing a robust 5G network to maintain a smooth performance. And speaking of resolutions, let's talk about pixel perfection and some installation insights. Now, when installing cameras, whether Wi-Fi or wire, understanding pixel density is crucial. It refers to the concentration of pixels on a display screen or within a digital image. The higher the pixel density, the more pixels are packed into a given area, resulting in sharper and clearer image with more detail visible. A wide-angle camera might cover more areas, but it reduces the pixel per meter, meaning less detail. So for large areas, you should consider using multiple cameras to focus on the specific points. So angle and coverage alignment is also key. Mounting the camera too high or too low could lead to blind spots. And a good rule of thumb: mount your cameras at about 9 feet high and consider the dual lens cameras because it can cover more area and support both Wi-Fi and Power over Ethernet connections. Now, let's touch on the nighttime performance. Night vision technology ranges from infrared to full-color night vision. While infrared is common, full-color night vision provides clearer and more detailed images, which helps in identifying subjects and activity. And advanced detection features in modern cameras like person and vehicle detection can significantly reduce false alarm by distinguishing between relevant movement and insignificant activity. And lastly, let's not forget the resolution utilization and the motorized zoom lenses. Now, it is crucial to position your camera wisely to avoid unnecessary obstructions and overexposure from walls or lights. Now, with the motorized zoom lens camera, like our 2.8 to 12mm bullet camera here, the motorized zoom lens can ensure the adjustment to the camera zoom are smooth and precise, enhancing the overall quality and effectiveness of the surveillance footage. And this adaptability and precision makes the motorized zoom lens ideal for a security situation requiring both wide-angle views and the ability to focus on specific activities or subjects. So that wraps up our guide on Wi-Fi versus wire cameras. Now, whether you're setting up a new home security system or upgrading an old one, you can consider these points to ensure you choose the right type of camera and set it up for optimal performance. Now, if you're interested in exploring a range of high-quality Wi-Fi and wire cameras, you can visit our website now to browse our extensive selection of both Wi-Fi and wire cameras and find a perfect match for your security needs with just a few clicks. Now, before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more tech insight. Now, thank you very much for joining us, and I'll see you in the next video.